all of you have not joined yet. Okay, good morning. Let's start with our GK class. So here are the few exercises that we are going to do in GK. The first is, good morning. The first is on page number 8. It is a crossword type. Okay, few clues are given to you on page number 8 and you have to write the answers which are given in the crossword on page 9. Okay, so first clue says it is across. Across means in the horizontal form and down means in the vertical form. So first we are going to do the horizontal form. Okay, so first point says sharp and pointed teeth used for tearing the food. They are 4 in number. Canines, very good. So on page number 9 where one point is written, you fill the spelling of canine. Canines. Canines. Canines are the side sharp teeth. Mute your mic. Second, the biggest part of our brain which controls our thinking and learning. Cerebrum. Cerebrum. It's cerebrum. 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 Okay. All right. So next is the substance that gives skin and hair its color. The substance which gives skin and hair its color is melanin. 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 Point 5. Melanin. 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 Next, the outside layer of skin of your body. Point number 7. Point number 7. Epidermis. Point number 7 is epidermis. EPIDER. Yes, epidermis. 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 Write quickly, children. EPIDERMIS. Epidermis. You just short the spelling and write on your own. EPI. Dermis. MIS. Miss. Epidermis. Break the spelling. Whichever spelling is big, you break and then form it. Then next, another name for the large intestine. Point number 9. Colon. 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 See point number 9 on page number 9. Point number 9. Crosswords. Colon. 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 Then next, also called the windpipe. When you breathe, air travels through this pipe to your lungs. Point number 11 on page number 9. Trachea. Trachea. Point number 11. TRACHEA. Trachea. Trachea is another name of your windpipe. Here, from where you breathe, the air comes and goes. Then now we are going to do the downwards crosswords. Okay, that means the vertical crosswords. The innermost layer of your eye where light sensitive cells are found. That is point number 2 you have to look for. Now here, retina. Yes, retina. 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 The jelly like substance inside bone that produces blood cells. Point number 4. Bone marrow. Yes, BONE. Bone. MARROW. Done. The dome shaped muscle located at the bottom of lungs. Point number 6. Downwards. Diaphragm. Diaphragm. DIA. Write the spelling. DIAPHRAGM. 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 The next, A bag made of smooth muscles that mixes food with digestive juices. Point number 8. Point number 8. Stomach. Stomach. Okay. Stomach. 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 Are you able to find where these words are written? Okay. The next, the bones that make up your spinal cord. Point number 10. Vertebrae. Very good. Vertebrae. This we have studied in science also. Vertebrae. 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 The last part of the digestive system where all water is absorbed from the food. Point number 12. Where it is? Large intestine, not long. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Right there. L-A-R-G-E. Intestine. Large intestine. Largentestine. Large intestine. Turn page. Page number 10. Now here we have to write the names of some river and cities. Rivers names are given to you. We have to write the names of the city in which they flow. Okay. So we are going to start with the first one. Tigris River flows in which city? Dash. Baghdad. Right there, Baghdad. If you are not able to write just now, put the numbers which are given in the yellow box at the bottom of the page. The names are already written, just put the numbers there. So on Baghdad, put number 1. Then Nile. Which city? Cairo. Put number 2 on Cairo. Then Indus is Karachi. Point number 3 is Karachi. Then Thames. River Thames is in London. London. Yes. Then after Thames, Hudson. Hudson is in New York. New York. Yes, very good. New York. Then Tiber, it is in Rome. Irrawaddy, it is in Wangan. Potomac, Washington, D.C. Seine, Paris. Yangtze, Shanghai. Okay, done. Come on to the next page. Next page is Baghdad is point number 1. Cairo is 2. Karachi is 3. London is 4. New York is 5. Rome is 6. Yangon is 7. Washington DC is 8. Paris is 9. Shanghai is 10. Okay. Next page, health and food. Now this chapter will sound something similar to you because we have studied this in science. Yes, in health and diseases we have studied about balanced diet, we have studied about different types of minerals and vitamins. The same thing we are going to study here. The diet which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, together it is very good. Very good. Fill their balanced diet in the blanks. Fill balanced diet there. Fill their balanced diet. Okay. The deficiency of vitamin causes rickets, a disease affecting bones. Very good. Vitamin. Yes. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Next, the disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Goiter. Hmm. Goiter. Goitre. Goiter. Goiter. The best source of this vitamin are oranges. Vitamin C. Yes. Yes. Hmm. Vitamin C. Then next, The person suffering from this disease becomes pale. It is anemia. Yes, very good. Anaemia. Write the spelling. Anaemia. Anemia. Next, this vegetable contains a chemical called carotene. Carrot. C. Very good. CARROT. 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 Next, this is the mineral that we basically get from milk. Calcium. Very good. Very good. Calcium. Okay. After calcium, they are called bodybuilding nutrients. Proteins. Proteins. Yes, proteins. Next page number. Page number 12. Done, na? That's why I'm saying now next page number 12. Previously you have done. Very good. So just answer me the correct answers. They eat pollen and fly from plant to plant. Bees. Very good. Bees. They look like the helicopter. Dragonfly. Very good. They eat animal waste. Dung beetle. Very good. They look very much like bees. Hoverfly. Hoverfly. Okay. The little ones of these insects eat. Okay. Lacewing. Next, they are helpful and beautiful. Ladies are always helpful and beautiful. So ladybug is also helpful and beautiful. Okay. Next, this beetle eats slugs, snails, and worms. Ground beetle. Okay. Then last, its name sounds like it is on duty. Soldier beetle. Now the names which you have taken, you should learn the spellings also because GK is written exam this time. Okay, learn GK. Now which is the next page that we have to do? That is page number. Who is making this sound? Page number 16. Have you done this page before? No. Okay, so we are going to do it just now. Read these clues and name the medical terms that you get to hear. When Ayan went to the doctor for a checkup, the doctor wrote some medicine for him. This is called the prescription. Prescription. P-R-E-S. Acha, look at the box which is given in the right hand side bottom of the page. You can mark the numbers, put the numbers there and write the names later. So first point is prescription. Put numbers there in the box which is given in the right hand side bottom corner. Second, Shreya is suffering from viral fever. The doctor has advised her to take the prescribed dash antibiotics. Number 2 is antibiotics. Put number 2 above antibiotic. Then point number 3, Vyom's grandmother had a heart surgery last week. Before operating on her, the doctor gave an. Now before any operation, what doctor give? Anesthesia. Anesthesia. Put point number 3 there. Anesthesia. Done. Maya is suffering from asthma since childhood. She is under dash of Dr. Kumar. Diagnosis. Very good, Anya. Diagnosis. Okay. Next, the doctor looked at the dash report of Varun's ankle. X-ray. Very good, children. Very good. X-ray. Ma'am is not X-ray. Ma'am is X-ray. Okay, next. Anita's newborn baby is constantly crying and not taking his baby food. She consulted a pediatrician. Yes, pediatrician. Yes. When Jaya fractured her arm during her dance practice, her mother took her on to orthopedist. Orthopedist. Okay. When Priya returned from school, she had red rashes on her skin along with high fever. Symptoms. Symptoms. Let's come on to the last page. Hurry up, page number 20. Page number 20. Now again here we have crosswords. Okay. Now this activity I am going to give you as homework. It's your homework. Today you have to do this activity. In the next GK class I am going to discuss it. Clear? Rest I have asked you to do. We have discussed here in the class and this is your homework for today. Okay? Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.